Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Don't worry when you are not recognized, but strive to be worthy of recognition. If you would win a man to your cause, first convince him that you are his sincere friend. Change your life today. Don't gamble on the future. Act now, without delay. Be sure to put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. The best way to predict your future is to create it. I am a success today because I had a friend who believed in me, and I didn't have the heart to let him down. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. If there is anything that a man can do well, I say let him do it. Give him a chance. You can fool all the people sometime, and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Most folks are as happy as they make up their minds to be. That some achieve great success is proof to all that others can achieve it as well. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. I walk slowly, but I never walk backward. I would rather be a little nobody than to be an evil somebody. You have to do your own growing, no matter how tall your grandfather was. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. A house divided amongst itself cannot stand. When I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. That's my religion. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. Character is like a tree and reputation its shadow. The shadow is what we think it is, and the tree is the real thing. Tact, the ability to describe others as they see themselves. He who has the right to criticize who has the heart to help. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Human action can be modified to some extent, but human nature cannot be changed. As I would not be a slave, so I would not be a master. This expresses my idea of democracy. Money will cease to be master and become the servant of humanity. Democracy will rise superior to the money power. Whatever you are, be a good one. Leave nothing for tomorrow which can be done today. Things may come to those who wait, but only things left by those who hustle. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. There are no bad pictures. That's just how your face looks sometimes. Let no feeling of discouragement prey upon you, and in the end you are sure to succeed. The possibility of failure should not stop us. The greatest fine art of the future will be making of a comfortable living from a small piece of land. All that I am or ever hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. We live in the midst of alarms. Anxiety clouds the future. We expect some new disaster with each newspaper we read. Every man's happiness is his own responsibility. I like to see a man proud of the place in which he lives. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And if there's any more quote you would like to add, please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to join our big family, so you won't miss out on any notes of quotes. To share it to your friends so they can use the knowledge too. And until the next time, stay in knowledge mode.